Colon cancers have been showing up in younger patients now,
How young?
in the 30s.
Really?
Yeah, now that's not to scare everybody. We just know that it's happening in younger patients and we're not sure why. So as for screening, there's a lot of buzz among the tech type folks, maybe like the health hacking community.
Okay.
They're trying to do like full body scans every year.
That can get expensive.
It also raises health anxiety. Everyone's anatomy is a little bit different, and let's just say from year to year you might have maybe something that's not supposed to be there getting a little bit bigger, but then like in another year it gets a little bit smaller. We don't really know what that is, and if you go in to figure out what that is, you could be causing more damage to the body than if you just leave it. So there's always a trade-off, and we're not always going to know everything about the trillions of cells that are happening in our body. At the same time, sometimes you'll hear of very rare cases that would have definitely benefited from having done those screenings. So I'm a little torn on those because it's like, well, there's a trade-off, right? On the one hand, somebody might discover something very early that would have been able to have benefited them and benefited greatly to have found it that early. On the other hand, somebody has absolutely no problems and drove themselves into having a lot of problems by trying to examine it further when they didn't need to. So that's kind of the trade-off. And in the previous episode that we had together, we were talking about fear, right?
Yeah.
Fear of life and death. And so can this go too far in terms of profiting off of someone's fear? And I think that does kind of start to veer towards that.